Hi, our lesson for today is a rational function, representing real-life situation using a rational function. What is a rational number? A rational number can be expressed as a fraction like 5 over 2, 3, and 4.5. So just for greens, what now is a irrational number? A number that cannot be expressed as a fraction. Pi and square root of 2. A rational function that has a form of p of f of x is equal to p of x over q of x, where p and q are polynomials functions. So, the background information, okay? A polynomial function p of a degree n is a function that can be written in the form of p of x is equal to a sub n times x raised to n plus a sub n minus 1 times x raised to n minus 1 plus a sub n minus 2 times x raised to n minus 2 plus and so on, wherein a sub 1 and a sub 0 and a sub n should not be equal to 0, and n should be a positive integer. So a rational function is in the form of f of x is equal to p of x over q of x. So class, f of x is equal to p of x over q of x, where p and q should be a polynomial functions. Polynomial functions, okay, these are expressions that have a variable. And sabi sa condition kanina, our q of x dapat hindi siya maging 0. Kasi, pag sinabi nating rational function, pinag-uusapan din natin is a fraction. Parehas lang sila. They both have numerator and denominator class. So, these are the two examples. Okay, we have 3 examples of rational function. Yung isa naman, not rational function. So, dito muna tayo. Examples of rational. So, if number 1, number 2, and number 3, tingnan nyo, they are all polynomial functions. They have the variable, they have the numbers. And the denominator, lahat sila is not equal to 0. Okay? While, dito naman sa isa, the first one is x plus 3 over 0. So, nagkaroon tayo ng 0 denominator, not rational function siya. Kasi, ang magiging sagot mo nun, undefined. Okay? F of x, ganun din. X plus 3 over square root of x. Not rational siya. Kasi, meron tayo ditong square root of x. So, kahit nasa numerator yan, tas nagkaroon ka ng square root of x, still, not rational function. Undefined siya. V of x is equal to 2x plus 5. Okay? Polynomial siya. But, our denominator is x raised to 1/2. Nagkaroon tayo ng exponent na fraction. So, again, ang condition sa rational function, dapat wala kang exponent na naka-fraction. Kaya siya tinatawag na not rational functions. Lahat ng sagot mo dito are undefined. Example number 1. So, the distance from Angeles City to Baguio is around 170 kilometers. So, construct a function, s, where the speed is of travel, to describe the time it takes to travel from Angeles City to Baguio. So, yung una, since the time is the quotient of the distance and the speed, so, ganito yung function niya. T of s is equal, so yung distance at saka yung speed. Yung letter B naman, the distance is fixed. So, may 170 kilometers na tayo. So the final function now is T of s is equal to 170 over s. So, number 2. An object is to travel a distance of 20 meters. Express the velocity v as a function of a travel of time t in seconds. So we have the distance, 20 meters. We have the time, which is t. And our function is v. So ganito siya isusulat, guys. The function v, okay, of t is equal to 20 over t. So this is how we represent the function dun sa given example natin. Okay? So that's all, guys, and thank you.